Brandy reviews the Fiore Queen here at the Borgata. Look at that. Nice little walkway here with a table and a mirror. Some lights. Leading out into nice little area with a desk. We have a coffee maker. I have 2 waters that I'm not drinking because they might charge me for them. TV mounted to the wall. 2 queens, and this is a smoking room because I smoke. Leading into there. Nice little area here, and what a view of Atlantic City. Look at that. Overlooking the marina. You can see the downtown area there in the background. It's the Golden Nugget. Harrah's. That's where all the bodies are buried, right out there. And look at this bathroom. Look at that tile, very nice. Double sink, double mirror. Nice little area here. Makeup. We have a safe and a closet. More clothes storage. Really nice walk-in shower right here. Look at this thing. Tall head on there too. Giant tub. And a private water closet. Super nice. This is the Fiore Queen Suite at the Borgata.